Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. This is a day in my life mini vlog. So today's about to be a super chill day. I don't have anything except for a doctor's appointment today, and I won't be creating much content except for this one that you're currently watching. I have opted to do a cleaner lifestyle type change. And if you've seen in my recent videos, I've been going to the gym way more, and also I'm on a calorie deficit, which I'm going to try to maintain for the next month. So I start my mornings off with a glass of water. I am not a morning person, but I realize that when I actually drink water in the morning, my mood is way better for the rest of the day. So for breakfast today, I'm having Quaker oats, and I usually have almond milk or oat milk with my oats, but today I didn't have any. I just had 0 fat milk, so that's still good enough for me. So how I like to do my oatmeal, I use a little bit of the milk because I don't want it to be watery. I hate a watery oats. Sometimes I have high protein oats, but they didn't have any in the store, so we're just gonna do regular oatmeal. It's filled with a lot of fiber, and we need the fiber in the diet, okay? I love fruits. I snack on fruits all day, and I love it with my oatmeal. Oatmeal can be bland sometimes, and I have a sweet tooth, so I like to make it fun. So I'm gonna load it with lots of fruits and also honey. So this is a great substitute as opposed to adding a lot of sugar or a lot of sweetening type things to your milk. Just honey, and it tastes delicious, especially on the fruit. It's like a party in my mouth, okay? So I have this for breakfast. Sometimes I go for something more high protein, so I do like a protein pancake, turkey bacon, and eggs, but oatmeal is still so good. After I've completed my breakfast, I take my daily vitamins and supplements, which includes B12 for energy and Bellway. Bellway is the perfect supplement that takes care of your gut, helps maintain your weight, and reduces bloating. Gut health is so important for your entire body, especially your digestive system, weight, immune system, and so much more. Today's video is sponsored by Bellway. I found out I had an autoimmune disease a couple of months ago, and I have taken so much pride in what I put in my body, especially for maintaining very good gut health. Bellway is organic, vegan, and gluten-free with 0 sugar. It contains psyllium husk that nourishes your gut to keep you regular as opposed to going to the bathroom like a crazy person, okay? If you are on the go, you could opt for fiber capsules. Use ChevB25 to get 25% off your first order with the link down below. It is available at Walmart, Target, and Sprouts. You can get different flavors on the website, and the great thing about this is that it has a great taste. Guys, so I'm about to head out. I have a dermatology appointment today to check upon the progress of my light therapy. So this is what my skin is looking like right now. Most of the shininess on my chest is pretty much gone. So now it's supposed to deeper penetrate my skin to get to the morphea, since we basically got rid of the upper areas. And also before, I had 2 of these white spots here, and this one was way bigger. So the second one disappeared, and then this one is shrinking. So that's good news. So it's all about the darker areas, trying to get those to fade a bit. So that's what we are about to discuss. And then I think she's going to talk about like other treatments. So we're going to see what she says or what she says, and then we go see how we move forward. So my Uber is here, so we're about to leave. So all the doctor recommended is that we will be doing more light therapy with more sessions, and I also got this cream for my scarring. Now I am back home and I am hungry because it's lunchtime. Now I am using this irresistible beef. We're about to make a sandwich, and I'm using bread as opposed to like a burger bun, and I'm loading that with lettuce. Even though we're doing low calorie, I'm gonna opt for a low fat mayonnaise. What I'm trying to do is maintain a diet that I can maintain and enjoy, as opposed to a crazy diet that I know I would be miserable on. So we're having 0 sugar Gatorade because I love Gatorade, but we're gonna switch out a lot of that sugar that we love to very similar. Taste is very similar to the regular. And then when I was eating, I started Queen Charlotte on Netflix, and Shonda Rhimes, I know rent was due when you created this show, because it got me stuck for the rest of the day and nothing was done because I binged the whole thing. Then, you know, as an influencer, we get packages all the time. I didn't even remember about this package from Pretty Little Thing. They sent me some cute free stuff, and you know, I love me some free clothing, and I'm like, yes, girl, yes. Especially the packages that you don't realize that you had coming. So now looking at the sizes of these clothes, I'm like, these things look big. I'm usually a size 10 in bottoms and an 8 in tops. And I do realize because I've been maintaining a regular gym routine for the past 4 weeks, and I'm like, girl, okay, I'm seeing a little bit difference in my clothing. My bottoms don't fit me like they used to. There is so much room, and I am controlling the amount of bloating that I get, except for when I'm on my period. When I'm on my period, I can't maintain that bloating. It's just gonna happen. If Mother Nature says it's supposed to happen, it's gonna happen. But my God, I got so excited with how these clothing were fitting, because a lot of my previous stuff that I had from a year ago did not fit because I went up a size. But now, girl, we're back down a size. And I had to double check the tag to make sure that I got a right size and they weren't tricking me. But this was a US size 10. And I'm like, girl, okay, we're back to what, 8 in bottoms? Okay. Now it's time for the gym, and I'm getting my water ready. Sometimes I do Gatorade, the sugar-free, at the gym for electrolyte. And then I have these protein bars. When I first had them, I did not like them. Then I got so used to it, and I realized if I eat it directly after the gym, because I'm so hungry, and I'm gonna eat it. So that is the best way to eat a protein bar, straight after the gym, because you're so hungry you would eat anything. So for today, I think we're gonna do some cardio and more abdominal exercises. Now this is my boo. He's showing y'all what he has when he's going into the gym. I think this is like a recovery type of powder. He drinks it while he's working out for quicker recovery. And y'all see, Simba just loves the camera time. Okay, well, Simba is so extra, but that's my boo. So we're in the gym, I'm stretching. Okay, we were on the couch watching Queen Charlotte all day as opposed to actually working. And I know I'm gonna do a full body workout today because it's kind of late in the gym. I didn't have much time. I think I only had an hour to work out. Sometimes I'll go an hour and a half depending on what I have to do. But stretching is so important. I realized that I sore way less when I stretch before and after. Before I was a little gym girly, even though I'm not really a gym girly right now, but before that I used to like not stretch, and I realized how bad that is. So first things first, we're doing some abdominal crunches or abdominal march. And I got some of these workouts on Pinterest, and I included on my full body workout days and my ab days. And girl, snatched waist routine and core strengthening. Love it. So I do 3 reps of this of 20, and whew, I feel it in my gut, feel it all over my abdominal muscles. Then we're gonna do the dumbbell circle. Sometimes I do this with a kettlebell, but we only have a dumbbell up here, and I use 10-pound weight because if I go heavier than that, because I don't have a lot of upper body strength just yet, it's gonna hurt my elbows. So I keep my elbows bent and use 10 pounds. Sometimes I go up to 12, but that's just about that. I do 3 reps of that of 15. Well, not 15. I do it for maybe 45 seconds each rep. So 3 reps of 45 seconds of doing the dumbbell circles. Now this plank, hip dip plank right here, oh my God, snatched waist, but girl, it is fire. You feel that in your waist, your back, your stomach, just all over the core area. And yeah, girl, we're feeling it. So I do 3 reps of 20, and I'm burning. I am burning up with the plank hip dips. Now on to my next waist snatcher workout. This is the plank pull through, and girl, she burns. Like, do you see them wobbly arms? Like, I need to stop skipping arm day. I really need to stop skipping arm day because sis, those arms are shaking. This workout was so fire and I felt the burn in my entire body, but it was especially for the core, and Jesus be the fence. Girl, oh my God. So I did 3 reps of this. I think I did about 20 per rep. And yeah, this workout right here snatched my waist. Okay, like, yes ma'am. Now I go through the rest of my workout doing little exercises for my arms, my back, and my glutes. Now, what I'm not gonna do is about to lie to y'all. These glutes and this booty, it's hereditary. It's all genetics with my butt. Even when I was at my, what I would call my highest of weights and my lowest of weights, my slimmest of slender, I always had a booty. So that is genetics. I didn't do like too much for my butt to look like that. So I am about to sell y'all some false narrative, but I do try to work it out to make sure that it's nice and firm. And also I realized that I've always had thick calves. I don't know why or how. I didn't play sports like that as a kid, but it's just one of my strongest parts of my body, my legs. And I like to work it out to just get it toned, and that's what I'm trying to do, maintain that toned fit look. And also the back, because I realize I don't work the back of my thighs too much, so I'm working on that. And that is it for my workout for the day. And girl, this is a snatch core strengthening workout session. Like, get into it. Now for dinner, Simba is about to make our dinner, and we're doing chicken breast, sweet potato fries, and veggies. And I love me my man's cooking. Like, I don't think nobody in this world, I don't know if it's the love that is over my eyes or something, but nobody cooks like my man. Okay, I don't taste food like how my man cooks it. So I love it when he cooks dinner, and he cooks dinner majority of the time. So this is our dinner, packed with protein, also super healthy and still within my calorie deficit. And that is it for today. Let me know how you guys cut your calories for the day and add in your workout routines. Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments. Let's talk, let's trade workout routines and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.